Hi, this is Parvati Benu. Was 2020 really a good year for you? Well, do not answer that question because you literally have a few days to go. And I have a good feeling the 2021 is going to be a really good year. Today, I am going to talk to three people who were instrumental in coming out with a calendar for the year 2021 that features 6 models with disability. And we're going to talk to the photographer Rishabh Dahiya and two models. One is a PhD scholar, Purva Mittal, and the other one's a researcher, Faisal Ashraf. And they're going to tell us all about their journey and how they came up with this calendar in a span of 3 weeks. Could you tell me a little about this? How did this entire idea originate?
Almost a similar idea. So we wanted to do a fun shoot with everyone who has had a difficult life, but we wanted to represent those fun and beautiful moments. We want the models to feel beautiful and comfortable. And I just wanted to represent that. So if you say Rishabh sir and I was the brain behind the concept, I believe Faisal sir and Dr. Anubha Mahajan were the arms. So these guys, they helped us a lot. The entire crew, they were so sensitive and supportive. And like, so basically the whole idea was executed in less than a week because we just took 2 days to do the shoot. We initially wanted to go ahead with 12 models, but due to the entire COVID scenario, we stuck up to the idea that we'll do it with 6 models who are available in Delhi. And we wanted an amalgamation of visible and invisible disabilities. Right. So we just wanted to ensure that each and everyone was safe and secure and go back to their homes safely. So all the protocols were followed. We came up with the idea of the calendar because we wanted more inclusivity in the society and acceptance. Because sometimes when people see someone using assistive aids, there comes a whole wave of sympathy. Probably we won't want that. We just want a hand of friendship offered to us. Probably we can share 1 or 2 limericks, just joke about a few things and lighten up the mood.
As Purva mentioned, that there are so many myths and misconceptions about disability that many people think that people with disability cannot be happy, they don't look good, and there are so many other stereotypes. So we also wanted to break this myth.
Have you ever thought that you're going to have a modeling experience?
To be very honest, I haven't thought about it ever, but this made it possible.
Right. And Purva, you were also one of the models who were featured in the calendar, right?
Yes, I was.
Have you done modeling before, or was the first time for you?
No, it was the first time. I can actually say I really wanted to model, so I created the entire concept of the calendar so that I can get featured in
it. I think Pranav is the only one who had done modeling in past. Other than that, all the 5 people who were featured, I don't think they had done any sort of photo shoot or any sort of modeling in like ever. But Pranav is someone who had done photo shoots before also. Yeah.
He's a professional model. He's the first model with autism. So
from India.
Yeah. Looking at the way he did the entire shoot, I was awestruck. He's just 20 years old with so much of talent and no fuss at all. This was extremely hard decision to make, but this is something that we didn't want to do it digitally, and we really wanted a kind of uniformity. But thanks to the Rishabh sir and the entire team, it was all flawless. It is one of the best experience of 2020. It doesn't suck so much now, only and only because of him.
And Rishabh, for you, was it an easy assignment to shoot, or?
See, frankly, I thought it will be very difficult for me to shoot something like this, but I think it went smoothly. It went pretty smooth, I think, because see, all the hard work we had put was mostly in preparation of the shoot. we had to find a studio which is accessible, because we don't really think about such things as like people who like someone like me who has no issue, right? I never think about things like how many stairs are there, right? When I enter a building, I don't really think about, okay, there are stairs or there is a lift, or is it accessible to people easily or not. But for someone like Fazil sir, right, this is the first, the studio I shot in, I have gone there like more than 50 times, right? But this is the only time, this is the first time I had to actually think about, okay, there are stairs, and how will someone with a wheelchair enter the building?
Not only we were made comfortable by the entire team, um, they treated us normally. They treated us like the crazy idiots and fun-loving people we are. They did not try to put us on a pedestal, trying to, you know, trying to just tell us that, oh my God, how difficult your life is, what horrible diseases or conditions you have. There was no topic as such. We were just enjoying the time we had there. So I think that is the most important thing. That is how true friendships, they blossom. That is how you need to approach anyone.
Where do you think people can buy the copies of calendar? Are they available online?
Yeah, they'll be available online because we are trying to raise funds by selling these calendars. All the models have nominated one organization because they believe in the work done by them. So 1/6 of the entire amount will be donated to these particular organizations. So this is a fundraiser that will help 6 organizations. Due to the COVID scenario, all these organizations have taken a setback because there is a financial crisis going on. So this is our bit to help our community. So fingers crossed that we are able to generate something really good out of it.
It was really fun talking to all three of you, and thank you so much for spending some time with us. And
Thank you for having us here.
Do feel free to like, share, and subscribe. You can find us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.